Hey, baby. Okay, uh, the guys never showed up to help me shovel, so I've been out here for 9 hours shoveling. I'm still not done, but this is what it looks like so far. Let me see. See these, they finally did the street, but there's big piles of snow that I shoveled. So I got most of the driveway done. Ooh, there's a big pile. You can see I did almost the whole driveway. And then I did the sidewalk over here going up to the front door. So the door, there's the porch that was covered before. And then I did all this piled up here. The sun is starting to go down, so I'm stopping. I'm tired. And then back here, I finally got the gate open. Before the snow was in front of the gate, I couldn't open it. There's a pile back there. There's Chewy. And then there's the rest of it that I didn't do yet. It's about 2.5 feet deep. I'm gonna have to do that tomorrow. There's probably, another 25 or 30 feet to get to the garage. My car's in there. I can't get it out until I finish all this, because you can see it's pretty deep. That's going to take me several hours to finish that tomorrow. But that fence is a 6-foot tall fence. You can see the snow is piled up almost all the way to the top of the fence. All that I shoveled today. That's it. Bye, baby.